Hey guys, so this video is for people who are just joining and are trying to make up some units, okay? So I'm gonna walk a student through on how to get set up for this class. Honestly, it should only take you maybe like 4 hours to complete all the makeup work that you've missed. Okay. Hi, Ariana.
Hi.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna share my screen with you so that I can get you set up for my class, okay?
Okay.
Just so you know, I do have this, I am recording this so that
Okay.
other students can do this without me, having to do it every single student. So let me present my screen to you. Let me know if you could see my screen, okay?
Okay.
All right, so you could see my screen, right?
Yeah.
All right, so what you want to do, you've already gone to your Google Classroom. You already know where that is. So let's go ahead and look at it. So your stream is really not that important. It's just everything I've posted.
Okay.
So what you want to do is you want to click on the classwork.
Mm-hmm.
And here's where you're going to access everything. So if you notice, everything is by topic. And each topic is a day. So it's going to be pretty easy to catch up on the work because all you have to do is click on each day and do the tasks for that day. Now, each day, honestly, it should only take you 1 hour. So by 11, or I don't know, it should take you 1 hour. So let's go through the 1 hour summer school class, okay? So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the day that you're going to make up, right? So let's go ahead and go to Wednesday. So right now you're just watching. Every single day, there's a Google slide guide. This is the lesson in here. Every day, you want to earn 16 points total.
Okay.
Because your goal is to have a total of 240 units or points. Kind of like high school, right? You get points for your classes.
Yeah.
So you're going to get points for every single task. So there's 4 tasks. There's part A, B, C, and D. Again, it's very simple, so don't freak out, okay? So every part is worth 4 points. And since you guys are making up work, so again, I'm making this video for people who haven't been showing up because they didn't know or whatever, might have happened. Okay, so here's your, Google slide guide, okay? This is your lesson. Okay. So every day, you're gonna see the day, and you could see the mathematical properties. That's your topic that you're learning about that day.
Okay.
What you wanna do is you wanna complete the 4 tasks. And they're in order. So part A, you're gonna click on this link for every single day. So you're gonna click part A, you're gonna do your attendance. Easy 4 points, yes? Then you're gonna click on part B. So what I want you to do right now, just to make sure that you're in my class, you're gonna click on this link. Or I'm sorry, just hold off for now. We can do this later. You're gonna click on this link, and it's gonna take you to your lesson. So every single day, I'm posting a little short lesson. It's not that short, but it's not that long either. It's about 20 minutes to 30 minutes. And what you have to do is just watch the video. For some reason, it's not working for me. Send me a message if you have issues with it, okay? I think it's my browser. I've been having Wi-Fi issues all day. So part B is you're going to watch the lesson and you're going to take notes.
Okay.
Okay? Then, if you want, you could join me at 10 a.m. And we do this part together. Okay? So You logged in. Just to review, every single day you're going to open your slide guide, right? Your Google slide. You're going to do part A, you're going to do part B, you're going to watch your lesson and take notes. And then you're going to show up if you need help. If you don't need help, you don't need to sign in. So if you can knock out this part C all by yourself, right? Only to Smart Score 70. So I'm going to show you. So I'm going to put a note here. Only to Smart Score 70. So let me put that here too. You click on this link. Okay, so here we go. You're going to click on this link and it's going to take you to practice what you just learned about. Again, if you can do it without me, then you don't have to come to the Google Meet. So that's kind of a cool thing. You could do this on your own. So let me just go, I'll come back to this part C, okay? This is where we practice and this is where you get your scores from. Now, part D is when you're gonna post your notes. So let me go ahead and put the link to our notebook. So if you check this out, this is called Padlet. This is where you are going to show me your notes. So everybody has a notebook in my class, and everybody posts their notes here. So if you can look really quick, here are my students right now. And some people like to take their notes on their phone. That's okay with me. I think that takes a lot of work. I think it's easier to just, scribble some notes down, but it's up to you. So if you notice, people are posting a picture of their notebooks and their notes. See, some people take them on their phone. Again, I think that's a lot of work. Look at that. Like, good job, Kendra. Now, if you see that some things are red, that means they're missing. If you see that they're orange, that means that I've talked to them and they're like, hey, I'm going to make it up, so don't give me a 0. So they have an extension. As long as you communicate with me, I'm more than happy to give you an extension, okay? My goal is for you to pass this class. So I'm going to add you right here. And this is where you're going to post your notes, okay? If you notice, everybody puts the date first and then the title of your lesson. So you know how in part B, you watch notes? Remember you watched the lesson in part B?
Yeah.
Okay, so in part B, those notes, you're going to click on this Padlet and you're going to post your notes. So you can download the app. For me, honestly, it's easier. So if you look at my little camera here, if you get the app on the phone, I don't know if you could see it because it's so bright. It's easier to download the app on your phone and take a screenshot of your notes or take a picture of your notes and post the picture. But if you want to use your computer, your Chromebook, that's okay. You're just going to click on the link and go on your Chromebook and take a picture of your notes. Okay, so how do you join Padlet? To join Padlet, you want to click on the link and sign in with your Google account, okay? If you have issues signing into Padlet, send me a message. So you just click on here and then log in with your Google and you're in. Okay? It'll take you here. It'll take you here. And then all you have to do is scroll till you see your name. Okay. Sorry, my Wi-Fi is obviously very slow right now. So far, do you have any questions?
No.
Cool. So all you're going to do is go to every single day on your Google Classroom that you want to make up the credit for. Just follow part A, B, C, and then post here, D,
Mm-hmm.
and go back and click Submit Assignment. So let me show you really quick how to edit. Okay, so you would add your notes. I want you to go in order. Go 6/ actually it really doesn't matter, but 6/10 are the first notes. You could always check mine. You see mine right here? This is the model. So
Yeah.
no notes on the first day. So here we go. Look how I titled it. You can copy and paste it if you need. 6/10 lesson 1.0. You'll see that in your notes, so don't worry about it. That's where they're getting it from. You're going to type in the title, Mathematical Properties. And I grade it almost immediately. As soon as you post, I get an alert.
Mm-hmm.
And then to edit, you just click on the camera. And you can take a picture of your notes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, like that. Or you could use your phone because it's easier to use your phone. Okay? So you have 6/10, you have 6/11, lesson 1. I don't know. All right. So you can